Hi friends, welcome to Aishu's DIY. Today we will design a necklace using the bargain bead box subscription item. So this particular bead is from a previous box of bargain bead box, and this is from this month's box. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is it is a knotted necklace and it's very simple. This time, this month's box, I took all like extreme difficult project and simple. So this one is a very simple project, so as this one that I did recently. I have here some metallic spacer beads from my stash. You don't have to use the exact one, you can use the ones that we got from this box, which is this right here. Since I'm planning to use the silver one, I have pulled out the silver items, but this bead has green and yellow, so gold would have been a better option, but I stuck with silver for now. And I have some Chinese knotting cord. I don't know what's written on here. I bought this a couple of years back on eBay. So this is definitely thinner than my 0.8 millimeter, so I'm guessing this is 0.5 millimeter. I'm not so sure though. So I have 10 feet of the cord cut already, so 10 full feet. Okay, so that's what we need for this project. I know it seemed to be a lot. It's like a 28-inch necklace, so whichever length you want to make, you multiply that by 4, and that's the amount of cord you will want to. Okay, so this is a long cord, so I'm just going to double it up. See, it's already knotting. Okay, knotted. So I'm gonna double it up and mark the center over here. I'm gonna leave a little bit of a tail for myself, like about say 3 inches or so, and then tie an overhand knot just like that. Okay, so if you want, you can take clipboard and attach this to the clipboard. The knot is right here. I know my daughter has done that, but excuse me about that. So you can have it, or you can pinpoint a macrame board, whichever you want to do. You can do that. So I just move all these beads right here. What I do here is take one end of the cord, so this is a necklace, so you want to start with this bead, I believe. Thinking, yes, this bead would be nice. So add a bead on one side of my cord and make a knot. Just an overhand knot. Okay, you can have your tweezers if you want to, you can have your bead awl if you want to. Some tool would be an ideal choice. Let me take my bead awl for instance, and so you can do this multiple way. You can do it tightly, or little bit of gap. So I like a little bit of gap right here in my necklace, but you can do this tightly as well. So now I tighten that knot up, separate the cord just like so. I'm gonna put the bead in the right side now. Okay, and then go ahead, tie an overhand knot just like so. Take everything off. Put your bead awl or tweezers in there and bring it all the way close to the bead and let it go. See? Now let's do a pink. I'm alternating the bead. And also I'm alternating the side wherein I string the beads. There we go. Take it, both your fingers, and take the cord in between your fingers. There you have a knot. So put your bead all inside the knot and deliver the knot where you want it to be. Okay, that's done. I wanted to do just burn the edges to create a needle. There we go. Take it again, same thing. Go around your fingers and put the cord through. There you have your knot. Make sure you put your bead all inside, and then if you're happy with the knot right there, leave it right there. So I'll continue doing the same thing again and again. I'll show you guys one more time. Put the bead in, go around your finger, and then here we go. Deliver your knot wherever you want the knot to be. Just like that. I'll continue doing this and I'll come back. I have finished this much, and I think this is good enough for my good enough length for my necklace, because I'm going to have a tassel as well. So I'm just going to measure it for you guys just in case. It's it's 12, 24, 24. It's 30 inches already. So I have, if you actually do the knots a little bit closer, maybe we can, this will be a little bit 28 inches or so. But nevertheless, I still have 2 more beads which I can use it for the earrings. And this one is the one which we started, and you still have the loop here. So what I'm going to do here is cut the loop over here just like that, and then have this, and I'm going to macrame. So I have this long cord which is left. I guess 10 feet is not needed, 8 feet is good enough. So here we go. I take these 2 cord and these 2 cords and basically macrame. Square knot. Try your level best to actually bring everything together properly. You can also do it on a macrame board, or not do it all, or tape your project to the surface and do it. But I'm not going to do a lot, just going to do a couple. Okay, yeah, that's 1 square knot. This is 2, 1.5, that's gonna be 2. So now I take this cord, this spacer bead, it has a big hole, so I take it and first thread in the bigger ones through it, then the smaller ones as well. Bring everything up. See, that's why I put the knot on there, so it has a little bit of a friction because the hole is big. Now take everything and then tie an overhand knot with all 4 cords. Okay, and let me take my bead awl one more time, move the knot all the way down. We want it right next to the big bead, just like so. If it is not quite in that place, I think it's fine now. So what I do is take these 2 cords first, okay, just like so. I have these kind of really cool V-shape finding. It has 2 holes, it's metallic, so I'm just going to put this, I need to melt it. So this is all for decoration purposes, doesn't have to be done. So if you have something like a charm or something like that, I'll try and get this through and come back. Here we go. This is how I created the tassel. So I put these cords through 2 of the holes in the V-shape finding. So take this, then go ahead and knot it. When you knot, keep the bead all here so that you can have the knot pretty close to the other ones as possible. So after that knot, I'm going to put again a knot, and this one is a little bit hard because the cord is very less. So here we go. That's one. I'm going to make one more again. So I try to make one more knot on top of these. If I can achieve, that's a great thing. So there we go. Double knot in the bottom, and then to the next side. So keep the bead all right here, that way you'll know for sure where the knot needs to land. Once you do that, take the cord, and there is also another way to do the double knot, which will be, the hole is not so big, but still if I put one knot it's coming off. So what I do is I do a loop, put the cord through once and twice, and then the excess off, and all you need to do is take your lighter, burn the edges and press it against. So here we go. It's a fun necklace and it's very easy to make, and you have a lot of options. The variations that you can make with these is so much, but it's so sorry, I didn't realize. So this is a fun and easy necklace to make, and it's so pretty and easy and also very versatile. You can make this with any beads you want, and it's so simple. And then you can have variety of tassels. You can change the beads over here, and you can use smaller beads. I think the thinner the cord is, the more beads it will fit in, and I hope so roundel will also fit in this, so you can have really fun with the rose quartz or the ceramics. The ceramics you would want a thicker cord. Maybe 2 cords will go through the ceramic, but the rose quartz and everything, you can do the similar thing. You can just alternate it with the copper bead, a spacer bead that we got. That will be a very thinner necklace. I wanted a little bit bold necklace for this boho look. I really like the way it turned out to be. I hope you guys like it too. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. I do upload videos a couple of times a week. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.